Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of hairstyle for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For haircut, eye-catching hair dye, much more stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Fine state and some ideas in undercut. And so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. Stylish ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut, some ideas layered. Deep layered, some ideas step, undercut. And the latest type of cut, choppy haircut. notching haircut, cropped haircut, and different ideas of bang, chin and bang, nose and bang. So beautiful ideas of this swimming. And very beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas, eye-catching ideas of funky colors. And beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. With different ideas of roots, some ideas in lightly rose, some ideas in dark roots, and beautiful eye-catching ideas of highlights in funky colors, some ideas in purple color, some ideas red color, shocking pink, green color, blue color, and so beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become latest and new trendy ideas for you. I hope you must share with me. I'll wait. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dart back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.